Hi there. Let us embark on a visual journey to unveil the aesthetics of Toshari Lodge in Namibia's Etosha National Park. So this is one of the 4 luxury family rooms with a spacious retreat that accommodates up to 4 people. It features a cozy double bed and twin beds all adorned with soft linen. The room boasts in modern amenities such as the wardrobe, which is stocked with extra blankets, especially for the winter days, and a safe, just to ensure your peace of mind. A mini bar fridge is available and convenient, with a coffee and tea station available at your disposal as well. The room is equipped with air conditioning, especially to accommodate the desert heat. It gets pretty hot. As you make your way to the cozy seating area of the room, a fan will gently stir the air, keeping you refreshed. The sliding door opens up to your own private veranda, where you're gonna enjoy your restaurant organic food. Well, that's if you are into those type of things, but yes, sustainable living. So yeah, stepping into the bathroom, you'll find a wash basin with complimentary toiletries and a lovely shower. This is a retreat designed for relaxation and rejuvenation. The combination of thoughtful details ensures that your time getting ready to head out or come back from an excursion to refresh is not just a necessity, but it's a delightful part of your overall experience at Toshari Lodge. Now, this place is not just a destination, it's an experience where luxury meets the untamed beauty of Etosha.